What's up everyone, welcome back. So today we are being showing off my brand new Craftsman tool set. So I just picked this up from Lowe's. Original price was $149, got it for $99. It comes with a set of 3 drive, core drive, and half drive. Let's take a look inside. Here we go. So I love how it comes organized. Got your date, everything nice and perfect. You can buy the back set, which is like I think 60 bucks, but why not pay another 40 bucks and get the set with it? It comes organized and just place it back in where it goes. Let's put that one back in. Pull the next one. Allen set, got your bits, super nice. Now if I'm going to keep it organized, like I'll probably put this one over here maybe, but it tells you the spots where they're supposed to be also. There's a 5, probably 8 right here, 8, I don't know if the camera can see that, but yeah. So let's put this one back in. Right here, still haven't opened it yet, just got it. Super nice. So the thing I like about this is that I think it's called a versatile set. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it's all interchangeable with the Craftsman. So you can get another box just like this and it connects with these flaps. It locks in, so you can have them all stacked up. But yeah. Take a look at the box. The handle's right here. It's pretty heavy. I say like 60, 70 pounds, maybe. The sticker's kind of fading already, like chipping. But other than that, I love it. I haven't used it yet, but I love it. Alright guys, so that was a review of my Craftsman tool set, and there's more to come. See you guys in the next one. Peace.